what's up? I am sorry. Let me just compose myself. I apologize. I pretty much took a month off from creating content and making videos, and it was a much needed break. It was an unintentional break, but I'm back, okay? I'm back. I'm just really excited about this next chapter. If you guys don't know, my birthday is coming up. Actually, by the time you guys see this, my birthday would have already passed. My birthday is July 1st, okay? Cancer, gang, moon. I'm excited to actually bring this content to you guys, especially this video. So I have a couple of aloe videos that did really well on my channel. Thank you guys so much. Like, thank you guys for helping me pay my bills. A lot of people kept coming back and saying, do you still use turmeric? Do you still use aloe? And which one do you prefer? So this video is going to be a comparison, and I actually did half aloe and half turmeric. I did the most. My skin was so janky, you guys. My skin was so disrespectful before I started using these masks, okay? My skin was crusty, it was dry, my hyperpigmentation around my mouth was really just present. My skin is doing extremely well right now. So I'm really excited for you guys to see this video so you can see if these masks worked again, and also which one I prefer. But please share this video, you guys, if you think someone would find this helpful, and that would also help me out for my channel. So share the love, share the wealth. All right, let's hop into the video. So it's day one. I am going to decide now which side of my face I want to do aloe on, and then which side of my face I want to do the turmeric on. So this side there's a lot going on this side. I had some breakouts, and this is the calm down version because right here in this area, there was like 3 or 4 breakouts. It was just a lot, and I already know what it came from. My diet was shit. It was just terrible. My diet was terrible, and I can't even be mad because I did it to myself. So aloe is amazing, and it's an amazing healer. So I'm thinking I want to do it on this side. This is my side with the deepest and the darkest laugh line hyperpigmentation. So we'll see if that turmeric and the yogurt will help brighten that up. But yes, if you guys want to see how I make my turmeric and yogurt mix and also what I use, then just check out the video up in the card section that just popped up, or you can check out the video in the description box. It'll also be down there. So as I mentioned, I got this idea because on my aloe video and on my turmeric video, people were watching the video, circling back, watching the other videos, and asking me which mask I preferred. So I don't know. I use aloe a little bit more frequently because I have an aloe plant, and I have actually started to cut some of those leaves and use those. I don't buy yogurt that often because I don't eat dairy, so sometimes, but I don't eat yogurt. Yeah, so I thought this would be a really fun video just to compare the two, and it's perfect because my skin has been acting a donkey. Just sometimes, you know, you want to eat some ice cream. I was so far gone. I was just like, okay, it won't hurt if I have another slice of pizza, or it won't hurt if I have ice cream 2 nights, let me be real, 4 nights in a row. So just like with the turmeric and yogurt, I'm not going to show you guys how I cut the aloe, rinse it, and all of that good stuff because I have quite a few aloe videos at this point, so you can watch any of those. So the section that I cut has 4 cubes about this size. Some are a little bit smaller, but yeah. I love when it's fresh and chunky. It's just, I already know this is about to be good. I just got my 100K YouTube plaque. Hey, that was really cool. I'm all done putting on the aloe and of course the turmeric and yogurt, so I'm going to let this sit for over 15 minutes. I'm not going to show you guys my skin right after because it's day one, but I will show you guys my skin tomorrow, and we'll just continue on continuing on. that much. Mixing that up.
Hey, hospital bed, 100 bands, fuck a watch. 100 grand and make your best friends turn to ops. Guess I just turn the cloud game up and
So I've completely rinsed off both masks, as you can see. All I did after I rinsed off both masks, I did that in the shower, but I got out, patted my face dry with my hands, and then I just used some shea butter and some rose hip seed oil. And if you guys haven't seen my skincare routine, I will also link that up in the cards and in the description box. All right, so the first thing that I have noticed so far, I didn't think I would notice anything yet, but my skin is feeling a lot smoother. It's looking brighter, and it's looking even and gorgeous. My skin tone, like the actual color, is looking really even. Of course, I have my hyperpigmentation in these areas, but okay. It's looking glowy, and there isn't even sun out today. So this mark from the pimple that I had is still there. We'll see what it looks like at the end of this experiment. The breakout that I had here has crusted over, so that one is healing. Shout out to the aloe. This side is also doing pretty well, so there's not much of an update, but I can definitely tell that my skin is looking a lot less dull than it was already, okay? This is the second day. I left the duo mask on for 30 minutes, and yesterday, I think I put it on the screen, but yesterday I left it on for around the same amount, 30 or so minutes. I was deep conditioning my hair, so 30-ish minutes, 20 plus minutes, we'll say that. Okay, it is day 3 and my skin, so I just rinsed it, which is what I do in the morning. I don't actually cleanse my skin in the morning with a cleanser. My face feels hydrated. Now that I'm actually looking at it, it does look a lot more, it looks a lot brighter, a lot glowier. It's just this area. Ah! Oh, I do not like the way aloe smells. Like, I didn't know it was so prominent. Like, I don't know if the other ones I had just didn't smell like this, but sometimes you get the real slimy, real thick ones that just smell like, I don't know, but it's not the best. I'm gonna give this a few minutes and then I'll put on the turmeric and yogurt. Okay, it's been about 15 or so minutes. I just got this side wet just to kind of open up my pores a little bit. I'm gonna dab it. This side of my face is like constricted because the aloe has tightened up. Yeah, you can see it. I have my turmeric and yogurt in here, and this is brand new. I don't reuse. All right, that's pretty good. I'm gonna let this sit on my face for 15 minutes, like I said, and then, yes. Rinsed my face yet for the day, but what do I notice so far? Actually, the first thing I wanted to show you guys was, do you guys notice that your aloe turns pink? Again, here we are, butter, baby, butt, smooth, soft. Like, amazing compared to when I first showed you guys and I had those under the skin bumps here. They have all completely gone away, but the texture is beautiful. And actually, this breakout completely flattened and gone. I think there was one right here, or this was like a scab or like a white mark. That is now turning into a dark, like that has healed pretty much. It's scabbed over and now that's flat and smooth. This breakout is pretty much flat. I can feel a little bit, but this one is pretty much flat. My skin altogether just feels really toned. I noticed that my laugh lines, the actual crease, I would say both of them are pretty smoothed out. This area is filling up, you know? Like when you have laugh lines, it can look like it's kind of sunk in right here and it's filling up. So really the only thing that's noticeable is the actual hyperpigmentation, which, look, okay, I can't even stress about that anymore. Y'all, I've been having revelations. The book of 95, chapter 2, Revelations. Y'all know what I'm talking about? No? Okay. Do you want a revolution? Okay, I just rinsed my face off. I gave it a good little rinse. And I'm gonna do the same thing I did yesterday where I actually put the aloe on for 10 minutes or so and then go in with the turmeric. So I just have one piece today. It's a fresh piece. And it's kind of pink on the end because I'm leaving my aloe out. So it looks like it gets pink when you leave it out. Okay, that should be good. I'm going to let this set like I said, and then I will come back on here. I will say the creases on my laugh lines are doing really well, but they seem to be less visible on the aloe side. I think I'm going to extend this for a couple of more days. I think something like a topical mask can take up to 2 weeks or more for you to see actual results. I feel like I'm starting to notice a difference with hyperpigmentation. This side to me seemed like it was darker than this side, but now I'm feeling like this side is more light and I just rinsed this off, as opposed to this side. You guys can be the judge. I'm not too sure. You see how these ones just look nice and open and large, and then if we go to this side, you still see them, but they're not as large and as open. So I'm out the shower. My face has been fully moisturized for a good couple of hours. It's been a couple of hours since I got out of the shower. Of course, you guys know what I use. If you don't know what I use, then check out my morning skincare routine. I'll link it in the description box and in the cards. My skin feels amazing. It looks amazing. It dead ass looks like I have Glossier Stretch Concealer on in Deep, you guys, which is my favorite, and I have a 20% off link, which I think I already said, in the description box. Okay, this is what happens when you drink your water, you mind your business. My laugh line area looks pretty good. For me, it looks presentable, it looks really good. Wow, brows are looking good. I'm glowing, there's no sun. Matter of fact, it is raining outside. The turmeric side looks really smooth, it looks good. You see that everything's looking really even for the most part. Of course, you still see some of the hyperpigmentation. It's not fully gone and perfect, but for me, because I don't wear makeup and I don't feel the need to cover this area up, regardless of what I think people think, because I'm cute, okay? But just look at this. Texture wear. Texture wear. Just, yes! Okay, you can see my pores here. There's no inflammation, which, whoo, yes, that's like my ultimate goal. I did that. I did that. I'll see y'all in the next clip, whatever that is. So I told y'all I would come on here with my final thoughts. I do think the turmeric and yogurt side gave me more of a glow. I legit look like I have a highlighter on and there's nothing but skin. So I would definitely say that aloe is more practical and more moisturizing. It's kind of like an all-around mask. And and there really isn't anything that turmeric and yogurt can do that aloe can't, aside from me seeing that there was, oh, I forgot about this, there was a lot less texture in the area where I really get texture. There was a lot less texture on the turmeric and yogurt side. So if you have those tiny little under the skin annoying ass bumps, try the turmeric and yogurt out. And you don't have to do that every single day. I would say try it 2 times a week or something like that, and just see how your skin feels. But aloe, I'm rocking with aloe. If you guys have any recommendations for my skincare progression videos, or any videos you want to see on my channel at all, check out the Google Doc that I have linked in the description box. You can actually go to the Google Doc and request videos. Please share this video if you found it helpful, and if you think someone else might find it helpful, share it wherever, Facebook, Twitter, to your mother. Leave your comments down there and let me know what you guys think of this video. Which side do you think worked the best? Did you see any difference? Am I tripping? Did nothing happen? Cut!